Hi guys, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining. So Anthony's getting ready. We're about to go on the road, so I have to do this real fast because he's about to get out the shower. So I decided I want to get his reaction today, so I decided to switch his water with thick water. So I'm gonna try and do that real quick before he gets out of the shower. Hopefully we are able to get his reaction. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to smash that like button, and hopefully we're able to get his reaction. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and maybe throw out a little bit of this. See, I emptied it out a little bit. So I did that. It's the thick water. Let's add it in. Guys, he's coming out. I might have to stop for a bit. Add a little water back to that. Okay, so it's empty. Okay, or maybe I shouldn't put any more in there. That's how I'm gonna know which one has in the thick water. So I'm bringing 2 bottles. So how I'm gonna know which is which is one is extra full. This is the unopened one. This is the one with the thick water, and it's not full all the way up. So hopefully it doesn't recognize. All right. So we're gonna be heading out. We'll see you in a bit.
Midnight.
A reverse.
Yep. I can't treat with my car wash.
Babe, no, you wash my car the other day.
You're a turn treat, but I'm gonna travel up on a dirty car. Not even when your husband had that. You're one and only.
Oh my god. I'm out of order.
Yeah, right. Imagine look on your man when you look clean. Like Jesus police record.
Here's a Jesus police record clean.
You're clean.
because the part of Manchester that we're going, this is the road we will take.
That's a too long.
You will see why at this way we take the plane. This is it depends on where you're going. That's the route you take. Come drink some water.
From morning, I drink water.
I think so, drink some more. Watch this.
When you drive out of the damn place, I like that. What the rest of that?
I don't know. Oh,
Babe, where you put in the water?
I don't put nothing in there.
Sabi, where you put in the water?
Yeah, I don't put nothing in the water.
Sabi. Where you put in the water? Water tastes more
What it
vomit.
tastes like?
More vomit.
Is it true?
Yeah.
You want to pull over?
Yeah. Honestly, where you put in the water?
Thick water, like for people who have problems swallowing. That's what they use. Here, drink my water.
No more water for you.
Guys, I want to.
You started.
Drink from the water. And right.
No worry yourself.
Oh my god. Babe. It's a red water.
Man, look here. You start. It's alright. See where this a go?
No.
See where this a go?
Listen, we're not gonna get into that. This was just a one-off thing.
Okay, what you want to say? You start.
Oh my god, that was funny. It tastes, babe.
Like shit.
No, me really have it.
So you not taste it?
No. What's that?
You have to put one big guap in your mouth. You don't even know when take make a certain thing. Yeah, take here, give me for drink. Suppose me become important. How me go please you? Eh? You don't even know if me allergic to it, then take Mickey.
Babe, this don't taste as bad as you are going.
It tastes bad. It tastes like shit.
You know, as bad as you make it. Why? No, sir, you exaggerate.
I wonder what the hell you force me to drink water time.
Not as bad as you are. I know you're gonna have that reaction there because you're so funny when you come on to food and stuff. Is that the right water? Babe, then people will have problems
glad you start
with
this.
swallowing and stuff like that. And this, them, so you behave like a something for do you anything.
Me don't know if it's gonna do me nothing. You just drink it.
No, you know I wouldn't do that.
Is that right?
You know your girl, you know something always check over here.
Forward.
No, like go straight, sorry.
Babe, let me see when we crash.
Hush. You know me always check ingredients and stuff like that when I buy anything, so.
It tastes like spoiled coconut.
Then how you know what spoiled coconut tastes like?
This tastes bad. It just tastes awful. Listen, somebody will drink water enough like me. Me I go realize that it tastes bad.
But to how you have behaved, it not taste that bad to me. And
You only drink water, you know, sip water like a
stop lying. And then this even says it's mildly thick. Me not even get the extra thick ones. Suppose are the extra thick one when you get.
Well, you want to save money?
Why? Me not waste my money. No, I didn't. It actually served the purpose.
No, you're gonna make me miserable for your rest idea.
Why?
What do you mean, why? I'm gonna miserable for your rest idea. Because you give me thick water for drink. When you sit in the back, you look at sperms.
What?
Which way you go, left or right?
Left. Babe, see, it's almost as clear as the water.
I'm not sure me I drive this, I didn't even realize, you know.
That's the whole point.
My Bex, man.
Your Bex?
Of course, my Bex.
Wait, your Bex or your Bex? Which
The
one?
Bex. Bex.
Well, it's a good laugh, that's all I can say.
I'm glad you started.
Babe, we never start anything, you know, so don't bother with it.
Oh, man. Every dog I've been there. Shape on it.
Shape on what?
Shape, oh, you're going left or right or straight? Right?
Yes.
Shape on it.
Oh, what am I shaking on?
Where you start?
What did I start? We have to know what kind of pattern you make and what me don't understand. No?
Stay there, love.
Babe, you know, so you can exaggerate. Because I taste it a while ago and it don't taste as bad. Because I'm not even the extra thick one.
Drink some more. Take 2 good drink out of it. Carry to right yourself.
Carry it away.
Down yourself.
Why am I for do that? You know me don't like drink a lot of liquid when me have dry.
The excuse me, I come with. You give me something for drink and I even taste it. What's supposed to ever happen? Watch your face and look up.
No! No, it don't make up because of the water. It make up because of what you just said. Suppose I'm something harm you. So you want me to taste it first?
There's 2 away I go down.
Before. Lord have mercy.
Straight?
Yes. You gotta take a left down the second light. So there.
I said, me get up a morning and me sit no turn up. God?
Babe, nothing I do you. What for do you? This is something they sell to the public all the time.
That not if they approve.
Oh, you know that?
Me see, me not see that.
Huh?
It's not my funny way say if they approve.
Go on, you have green light.
I believe that the government and the people tarnish their health. Again,
Tarnish health. That's what them use to help people who can't swallow.
thick water. So I'm to regular water.
No.
I don't understand.
Sometimes when people have difficulty swallowing or they have a condition or anything like that, the normal water sometimes they choke on it, so they make the water they make stuff a little thicker. Them even have the thing where you put in like them tea and stuff to make it a little bit thicker, so you know it's not hazardous to them.
I think that healthy. Thick water. You don't drink that. It tastes heavy.
Then suppose me use the extra thick one. It wouldn't even more heavier.
That wouldn't pass me through it in the first place.
We'll go left. Well, guys, there you have it. We got his reaction, and it worked. And actually, I can't believe it worked so good. But
No worries, yourself. Yeah, get it.
That was a good one, babe. Don't bother with it, please.
Just start something.
I never start anything. This is just, like a fun thing in the evening.
Fun thing Marad. Say you wait till me hold you. Dog, me mess up.
God have mercy. I can't believe this. Alright, guys. There you have it. His reaction. See you next time.